That now we will now move to another presentation. Senator Trillanes, Congressman Acop, may I know the basis for the invitation that we sent to Senator Trillanes for today's committee hearing?
Yes, Mr. Chair. In the 13 November 2024 hearing, where former Senator Trillanes appeared, he was required to present evidence suggesting links between the Duterte family and drug lords. He was also required to provide additional evidence related to Pidigong's alleged involvement in the drug trade, and to present documents purported to show money trails linked to drug proceeds, and details on the various cases filed by the Honorable former Senator Trillanes, including plunder and illegal drug smuggling charges. And last but not the least, Mr. Chair, bank documents linked to former President Duterte. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Acop. I just would like to ask Senator Trillanes, how many minutes is your presentation, more or less?
Mr. Chairman, I think it would last more or less an hour, isang oras po. Pero ito po, makukumpleto yung picture. Papakilala ko po yung mga players, yung mga key members ng Duterte Drug Syndicate, Mr. Chairman, at yung kanilang mga linkages. So I think para mas maintindihan po ng mga members ng Quadcom at ng ating sambayanan.
Sige po, ganito na lang po ang ating kakayod. You will be showing names, no?
Yes.
And
yes,
what we will probably do is maybe if a member wishes